Hey guys, it's Koogly again with another video, and this time I've got another unboxing for you guys. So, from the title of the video you can know that I got a new headphone! Yay! Well, it's not an earphone, it's an earphone, it's a true wireless earphone. If you remember, I had a Creative Outliers Gold, which was my foray into the true wireless scene, because that was my first true wireless earphone. So I decided, hey, let's go big, let's go a bit better, because to be extremely honest, this one was the one which I really wanted. I think I even talked about it when I was talking about the Outliers Pro or Outliers Gold, and I just received the package. Now, if you don't know, Amazon has this sale going on, which is the I guess it's called Sound or something, Festival of Sound or something, which is like, you know, Sony specific, and also end of season sale. There are a lot of offers available, and if you want to check it out, link will be in the description below. You can actually check it out. These are like super cheap right now. Let's get started. Let's open the package and I'll tell you what this is. This is the Sony WF-1000XM3, because this one was the headphones which I really wanted, like the earphones which I really wanted. The main reason being, well, let's say that this one is the king right now, because the noise cancelling scene has been dominated by Sony for some time. At first it was Bose, and then it is Sony, and Sony has been really cool with that, so I'm really happy with this. So here is the package, Sony XM3. I'm not really sure if you can take out the reflection. So here is the package. Bose had actually dominated the space for some time, and after that Sony came along with their WH-1000XM3, which was like the over-the-top, over-the-ear headphones, which are really amazing. I got a look into that one, and it is amazing. It is just amazing sound quality. Now this one I am actually going to look into this one, because I have never listened to this like completely, so I really do want to. In any case, let's open the package and show you guys, because I'm stalling again all along. So as I can see, it does have the Sony original stuff, all that. Let's go with the packaging. Industry leading Sony voice cancellation, and I do believe them, because it is actually industry leading. So let's get started with that. It does have Alexa and Google Assistant. I do want to try how this works. This is a touch surface, so it should work out really well. Sony 6 hours of battery life, kind of a downgrade from what I had previously. Previously I had the Creatives, which had a graphene driver, which was supposed to get about 14 hours of battery life over the single charge, and I never ran out of battery life on that one. Like all my travels, like I've had 6 to 8 hour plus flights, and I never ran out of battery life on that, which is an amazing feat, which I was really impressed with that one. This one I don't know, we'll have to see. Let's go to the package. Okay, Bluetooth, of course it is Bluetooth 5, I believe. Wireless noise cancelling, WF-1000XM, 2 pairs. This thing is available. 3D reality audio, I have no idea. Active noise cancelling, that is the main thing. That is the big kahuna which I really want to talk about. Sense engine digital noise cancelling. DSEE HX is a Sony proprietary thing, which is pretty cool in my opinion. I have used this with my Mate 4, iPhone and iPod, and then there is a small Android symbol. Sony doesn't make Apple products. What? Anyways, all the other stuff, nothing special here though. We'll see. Ooh, different packaging. That's interesting. Start pairing. Okay, you have this and you have this. Wow. Packaging is premium. Okay, let's just say that the packaging is amazing. Here is the instructions on the pairing process, which is cool. I will need that, because it did take me a while to get my Creatives paired up, because god damn it, I don't know how to pair this. Okay, a rubberized finish, which is really nice. I really like this one. It is Sony and it does sound like that. Hey, USB Type-C. Nice. And you have all the goodies here. It is magnetic, I believe. Yeah, it is magnetic, and it does look very nice. This is numbered, which is really cool. So this is 1 out of 3. This is the first process, and I can see there's a 2, so we'll see that. Let's remove this and keep it aside for now. Damn, there are so many earplugs. Okay, second one, download the application. Okay, take the headset out of the case. Okay, that is the third process, and that's the last one, I believe. Wow, that is presented very nicely. So it has 2 types of ear cups, I believe. I have to check what all these are, because I have no idea. Comes with a cable, of course it needs to come with a cable, because cable. Come on, it's a USB Type-C cable, so that is cool. It comes with some documentation, music service, free trial. There is, okay, how to wear this, because yes, true wireless headphones are pretty finicky when it comes to wearing them, because there are, like, you know, it has to fit properly in your head. Other than that, it will just fall off, so it's not a very good idea. Operating touch sensor, so we have some documentation there. There is the wireless, I believe this is the instruction manual. Reference guide, yeah, this is the reference guide, so that is pretty cool. Wow, that's a huge one. Okay, one thing which I really wanted to know before I made the purchase, but well, now it's too late, is if it is actually sweat proof, because I do use it while I'm working out. At least the creative ones I did. So I'm not sure. It doesn't say anything about it on the box or something, and Sony does usually say that. So I'm pretty sure it's not rated for sweat proof, so I'll have to check that out. Yep, the basic instructions manual on everything in English. That is good, because creative instructions were all in Chinese with just English translations out afterwards. Not really sure if that's a good way to go, but anyways, that is pretty much it. That is all we get with this one. To be extremely honest, it's a pretty substantial package, and damn, that, oh my god, that looks amazing. Actually, I am actually liking this style of it. Let me just wear it and see if it makes any sense. It actually feels pretty premium, actually, you know. Over the outliers are pretty plasticky. I don't know if you can even see that. This is how it looks. I'm definitely not very presentable, but it's okay. This does feel okay. These are bulky. These are much bulkier than my creative outliers, but to be extremely honest, it doesn't feel too bad either. It's actually okay. I don't know if you will be able to lie down flat with this one in your head, but it is already very, very isolating. Once you get a good seal or the tips, you can probably get a very, very good seal on that one. That has been the first look at the Sony earphones, and I am going to enjoy this very, very much. It does have NFC, which is cool. Let's put this on and see what the lights show. Yes, I do have a light. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a red light here indicating that I think it is charging. I have to go through the documentation before I actually use this. I will look into that, and I will also try and get something to fit me specifically. That is pretty much it. The links will be in the description below if you want to check this out, because I do feel that this one is one of the best earphones which you can get, even at the prices. Like, the price is much lower than what it used to be. To be extremely honest, I did want to get the next version of it, the XM4, but there is no word of the XM4 because, you know, their release cycle, well, for headphones it's not an yearly release cycle like a phone is, so of course there is going to be different things for it, so I'm not going to get too into that. But still, you know, I would love to have that. So yeah, I guess that much is it about the video then. Hope you guys liked the video. Please share, subscribe, and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.